Hi guys, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'll show you the Face ID test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unload the device with my face to see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's my fault. One more time. 5. As you can see, the Face ID works here correct and fast and will just unlock the device without any problems. So you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the Face ID is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.